What's going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. Today in front of us we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at some of the features and why this is actually really good. This is the Oculus Quest. We're going to unbox this and see what you get inside the box and see what it's all about. This is one of the VR headsets that doesn't need any PC or phone or anything for it to function, so you can just set it up and you're good to go. This is the 64 gig version, but without further ado, let's just get into it and see what it's all about. When it comes to VR headsets, I still sometimes struggle to find where it fits in the ecosystem of how we consume content. The Oculus Quest is a VR headset that could possibly change that for me. It's portable, has a decent resolution, and doesn't need a separate computer for it to run. You can also have a room scale environment without the need for any external sensors like the Vive VR, but as a result, it adds a little weight if you're planning on wearing it for prolonged periods of time. Out of the box, you get everything you need to get started, including the charger, glasses, spacer, a pair of touch controllers, manuals, and the VR headset itself. On the headset, you have the power button, volume rockers, two 3.5mm headphone ports, although the built-in speakers are also loud enough for use at home where it's not too loud, especially for me anyway. Face on, you have 4 cameras / sensors, so you don't have to use external ones like the Vive VR. On the inside, the foam used is super soft on the face and easy to wipe in case you get a little sweaty when you're using it. To keep it secure on your head, you have some Velcro straps that keeps the Quest snug on the face, and it's fully adjustable to fit any head size. I have a big head. Under the lenses, you have a focal length adjusting slider, so if you normally wear glasses like me, you probably need to slide it until things look very clear enough for you to see. Remember, you can use glasses spacer too if you still need to use it whilst wearing your glasses. Your touch controllers comes with batteries already installed inside. You just have to pull the tabs to activate it. Again, it means you don't have to go and buy extra batteries and go through the setup process. You'll need to download the Oculus app on iOS or Android to link the Quest to your account and activate it. The touch controllers are very ergonomic. They have a wrist strap as well for action gaming, so you don't start throwing them around the room or hit someone with it. The controllers might take some getting used to initially, but once you get used to it, it's very straightforward and easy to use. When it comes to performance and actually using it daily, it's essential to know that the Quest is a VR gaming headset first before other forms of entertainment. For example, you can browse the web on it, watch YouTube videos, Facebook videos, even browse Instagram like a library of images and more. But where it really matters is when you hit your games library. The Oculus Quest has an OLED display panel with 1440 by 1600 per eye resolution. Runs on a Snapdragon 835 processor. It's not the latest processor from Qualcomm, but it's a step up from the 821 used in the Oculus Go. Once you've set it up, you will need a gameplay area that's a minimum of 2 meters by 2 meters in your room or office or whatever. Or the recommended 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet. And thanks to the new Oculus Insight technology, which uses ultra-wide angle sensors on the side of the headset, as well as the computer vision algorithms to translate your movements into VR with what Oculus calls inside-out tracking, you'll be able to roam around depending on your room scale. One other feature that's also really cool about the Quest is its Guardian safety system. It makes it really ideal for small spaces, allowing you to draw boundaries like a wall. And when you break that boundary, the camera activates so you can see the real world in front of you. So if you're about to walk into something, you'll be able to see what you're about to walk into. You can also quickly and easily change this at any time should you have more space to dedicate to it after the fact. For the games library, the press unit I have here came with a few games, but Oculus tells us that when the VR headset officially launches, which I think might actually be officially available now, you'll have about 50 applications to choose from, which is more than enough if you ask me. The Quest lasts between 2 hours to 2 hours and 20 minutes with a lot of gameplay. And it's also worth mentioning that as the Quest approaches its empty battery levels, you may experience some slight glitching in terms of frame rates. Although charging takes about 2 hours to get it back to 100%, so you can always take a break and recharge it back up. You can also use the Oculus Quest wireless charging using the provided extended cable, but it will likely take you longer to charge, so it'll take slower to charge, but it's safe to do so because it's got fan cooling system, so you won't overheat when you're charging it. So that's it for the Oculus Quest, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go crazy, let me know what you think. Is it worth the price? Is this still the time for VR headsets? Are they still in the running? Are they still worth looking into? Let us know in the comments below. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification as well so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.